In today's lesson we're going to look at how to solve linear equations. Now an equation is an expression that contains an equal sign. Now what we're going to look at in example 1 is how to rearrange the equation to solve for x. Now you'll notice that I've circled the 4 terms that are present in this equation. And the idea is to have all the terms containing x on one side of the equation. So what I've done is I've left this 2x on the left hand side of the equation and brought this 3x over to the left hand side of the equation. When that 3x comes across, it has to be changed into a negative 3x. Likewise, on the right hand side of the equation I've left the 7 there and I've brought the minus 4 to the right hand side. Notice that that becomes a plus 4. So our next step is to simplify both sides. 2x minus 3x gives minus 1x. We don't need to show that one. And 4 plus 7 gives us 11. So if the negative of x is 11, then x itself must be negative 11. Let's look at a second example, and in this case we have some brackets. As a general rule, it's a good idea to expand brackets first. So we need to multiply all the contents of the brackets by 2. 2 times x gives us 2x, and 2 times 5 gives us the 10. Notice now that we have 4 terms. Let's bring our x terms to the left. 2x can stay where it is. This minus 1x can be brought across, so it's now plus x. On the right hand side of the equation, the 12 can remain where it is, and this plus 10 here can come across as a minus 10. So simplifying, we have 3x equals 2. Now, because I'm showing the next step here as well, I've written this division sign in red. So the idea is to get x by itself. At the moment we had 3x, we're going to divide both sides by 3. That allows us to cancel these 3's, and so x is left as 2/3. Example 3 contains 3 terms. We have this fraction term, we have this plus 9, and we have a 20. Again, we want to have the terms containing x on one side of the equation, so we'll leave the fraction 3x over 5 on the left. The positive 9, however, can move to the right hand side of the equation and can be combined with the 20. So we have 20 minus 9 is 11. At this stage, because we want to get x by itself, we notice that 3x has been divided by 5. So to undo that, we times both sides of the equation by 5. So 3x equals 11 times 5. 3x is 55. The last step, as always, is to do a division to get x by itself. Dividing both sides by 3, we can cancel, and we'll leave x as the fraction 55 over 3. So in each case, terms containing x are moved to the left of the equal sign and number terms to the right. Now, for some questions we can use the class pad to check our solutions. And to do that, we use what's called interactive advanced solve. We start by typing the equation into our class pad, and we might use the 2D menu here to access the fraction template. That way we can enter our fraction 2x minus 5 over 8, as in this example. So let's see if we can solve the equation 2x minus 5 over 8 equals 8 plus 3x. The next step is we need to highlight by dragging our stylus across the equation. We highlight it and we choose from the menu heading here interactive, then advanced, and then we'll select solve. And when we do that, we will get our answer, and we can express that either as a fraction or a decimal. So try that now, see what fraction you get, and we'll stop at that point.